How to fit our Transit Custom bonnet deflector. The first step is to clean the area of the bonnet where the deflector will be installed. The fittings that are included are as follows: 6 adhesive patches, 6 suction cups, 6 screws, 6 washers and 6 poppers. The first step is to fit a washer to each of the provided screws. Place the first clip on the underside of the deflector and screw into place. At this point, be mindful not to over tighten the screws into the clips. Lift your van's bonnet ready to offer the deflector up into the correct position. Once you've observed the correct position, align all of the clips on the deflector with the bonnet. Once you're happy with the alignment and fitment of the deflector, simply knock all of the clips into place. Next, close your bonnet and tighten all of the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Tightening all of the screws will secure the deflector into the correct position. Once tightened, attach the black poppers over the top of each screw for a tidy finish. Next, stick the adhesive patches to the underside of each suction cup. Place the 6 suction cups underneath the deflector, evenly spaced along the bonnet. These images show the correct way in which these suction cups are fitted. As you can see here, the side of the suction cup with a large surface area sits on top of the bonnet. The same fitting process applies to all of the bonnet deflectors that we stock here at Van Pimps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.